Hello viewers, and welcome to another adventure in rattle can restoration. And as you can see, today was tune-up day on this 4.3 V6. So she got new NGK spark plugs. She got new spark plug wires, cap and rotor. Now, this is the spark plug. And this is the condition they came out, which isn't bad. It's like a nice brown tan color, but here is my issue. Champion. Who in their right effing mind puts a champion in a motor that's not a lawnmower? And there is the cap rotor. As you can see, it is pretty cooked. And so is the cap. Cap suffers from the same issues. It's cooked also. So I replaced everything, and she runs 100% better. She's idles smoothly. Oh yeah, she runs good. Anyway, so got that done. Got all the spark plugs in the right order. And these were the wires. And they were pretty well effed up also. See, look at that. Look at that split. Yeah, so these guys were destined for the scrapyard. They really weren't. They're probably the original, if you were to ask me. Original cap, original rotor, original, well, champion spark plugs. I mean, really? Who uses champion spark plugs in an engine? A lawnmower, yes. A chainsaw, yes. But in a regular motor? Oh, hell no. No. Excuse my corona, but my corona. Oh, my bad. So anyway, so we got her all maintenanced. Oh, let's go over there and turn her on so that you can listen to this beautiful, quiet, well-running machine. Look at that. That thing runs awesome. Very nice. PVC valve is going tickety, tickety, tickety like it's supposed to. Great oil pressure, water temperature is good, voltage, everything. Very nice. So anyway, got the new tail light lens in. I'll get to that one in about an hour. But so she is sexified. Oh yeah. The guy was complaining how hard it is to work on these things. How difficult it is to get to stuff. And I took this cover off, and the first thing that my mind says, I'm glad he thought that this thing was impossible to work on, so he sold it to me for cheap. Because I'll be honest with you, I don't see what he saw. The spark plugs were really easy to get to. Look at that. I mean, I stood up, leaned over a little bit, pulled all the plugs out. Cap and rotor right there. You know what a bitch that thing is in a truck or anything? It's way in the back. Gotta lean over and reach for that shit. Not here. It's right there. Yep. I am happy. My wife is happy. You know what they say? Happy wife, you won't be committing suicide. Anyway, until next time.